I'm Ashley Whiteley, Superintendent of Lakota Local Schools, and I'm here at VanGorden Elementary in Miss Harp's room getting ready to see a science lesson. We are actually going to be dissecting a chicken wing to see how it's connected to bodily systems and healing. I can't wait to see how we get this chicken off the ground. Let's go, Lakota.
We are using raw meat, all right? For that reason, we want to be extra sure that you all understand the importance of having your skin not come in contact with the raw meat.
Safety first.
I want you to go ahead and explore the chicken wing. How does it work, right? How does it move? What are its parts?
You should be able to feel the bone down there. You feel it? You feel it now?
Oh, there's a lot of skin.
Is that what you're supposed to?
While you're doing that, I want you to be thinking about our student and the injury that he had with the weight.
Feel that one compared to that one.
Weird. What?
See how his is like got more,
More meat?
Yeah, more meat, yeah, more tissue, better word, yes.
His like ability to move his foot around.
Okay. I like that you said slowly, because how long did it take for that healing?
A couple months.
Like 4 months, right?
Yours is like got a,
Like a doorknob.
yeah, like your elbow.
Wow, that's really cool.
It's not often that I get to have a lesson where I get to wear gloves. It was such a fun day dissecting and analyzing and observing chicken wings. The wonder of our students' faces was amazing. It was just a perfect day.